Common examination instructions. The online examination will be in English language. It will be of 150 minutes duration for 70 to 75 theory marks and 180 minutes for 100 marks. A student can answer all 120 or 150 MCQs and only correct answers shall be considered without any negative marks for wrong answers. A student will find one question at a time with 4 options and he or she can attempt either or as under: save and next, save and back, skip or mark for review question. There will be a palette below with which will show the question and answer status as under. Yellow color means you have not saved the answer. Green color means you have answered. Red color means you skipped the question. A student can click question number to navigate during examination from palette below or can choose drop down also for jumping to any question. A student can submit and exit after 1 hour from the scheduled commencement of the examination by jumping to the last question. In case of disconnection of network or power failure during the test can be resumed by logging in again in the same device within 10 minutes from the instance of interruption with permission of the proctor and technical support team or helpline. The university will not be responsible for the time lost due to any malfunction of your computer or mobile pertaining to or but limited to hardware, software, internet connectivity or power issues, etc. A student is allowed to refer textbooks and reference materials during the examination period but without moving out from the seat. The system is using artificial intelligence to detect and record face emotions, pupil movement and all activities, but there are not hindrances to one's examination. A student is not allowed to access internet to consult other people for any information during the whole time of examination session. He or she is not also allowed to take photos or record videos of the examination and then share with others. If found doing such activities, student will not only be declined to continue the online examination by the proctor and shall also be debarred from appearing further examination as per the rules and regulations of the university. If a student indulges in suspicious and objectionable activities as detected and recorded by the system, in such situation, the proctor can pause and even cancel your online examination. For smooth attempt of the online examination, students are advised to sit in a closed room having enough of light for camera to detect. Make sure you are sitting opposite of light with a wall behind you. Do not sit against or near the window. Keep minimum 3 hours power backup before your examination. Sit near the Wi-Fi router or modem to avoid any signal related issues. If using mobile or hotspot, then make sure that the phone is connected to charger and do not use the same mobile for calling or attending calls as it stops the internet connectivity. Scientific calculator is available for desktop or laptop based examination for any of your use in the exam screen. However, as a student, you can carry Indian standards or any other book required during the exam time. Please make sure that there is no noise around you during the examination. Otherwise, artificial intelligence will detect and warn you for the same. If your screen is freezing during examination, then check your internet connection. If you get any script message also, click on yes and also check your internet connection. Before examination, make sure that internet connection should not be disconnected. Otherwise, your answers will not be safe. In case any student gets genuine disconnection from server due to power or internet failure and he or she is not able to log in again within 15 minutes, the examination will be terminated. Such students will appear in offline examination of even semester 2019 and 20 whenever conducted by the university. The following activities are not permitted during conduct of online examination. Presence of any other persons in the room where student is sitting for examination. Use mobile only for internet connection or hotspot only for one system. To leave his or her seat during the entire duration of online examination except for unavoidable use of washroom with the consent of proctor obtaining via chat option available in the system. Not more than twice, not exceeding 3 minutes each. The online examination system will issue regular warnings on his or her screen. The number of warnings issued to each student will be duly recorded in the online examination system. In addition to the auto proctoring by the online examination system, manual proctors or invigilators will continuously watch and monitor the students during the entire duration of the examination. The students are advised not to indulge in any activity which is not permitted to avoid any possibility of pausing of the examination remotely by the manual proctor or invigilator. Students should follow the instructions of the invigilator or proctor, and if required, the student can chat with the proctor for any support by clicking on the chat button. The test will be auto-submitted after the completion of total duration of the examination. If you are getting frequent messages of Connect Forum exam is not responding, please check your internet speed. You need to have 1 Mbps or a minimum 3G internet speed throughout the examination. Please remove all connections connected to Wi-Fi or modem or mobile hotspot which you are using for examination. Please check your internet speed at www.fast.com. If the internet speed is less than 1 Mbps or 3G, please do not write the exam. If you try to take the exam, you might have network speed issues where your system will ask to restart the browser or restart the exam. You need 1 Mbps or 3G internet speed throughout the exam. The university shall send the device specific link with username to the registered student email ID, and he or she will use the same link to appear the trial online test and real examinations for the whole semester. While the username shall remain constant, unique password will be sent to his or her registered number 30 minutes before each sittings of the commencement of examination. If any student does not receive their username and password, they can opt in by clicking on the Get Exam Password link in www.bputevaluation.com and follow on-screen instructions or flow. Unique ID and password will be displayed for 30 seconds on the screen. An OTP will be sent to the student registered mobile number. The link will be activated 30 minutes before the examination time and closes 30 minutes of the examination start time, and they can avail this option 2 times only for any given examination day. Enter correct password, which is case sensitive and may keep record on a piece of paper for future reference during the examination.
Welcome to online assessment. Let us see the process or prerequisites to be followed before starting exam. You can take your exam only in Windows PCs and laptops with operating system Windows 7 and above versions. Make sure you have latest versions of Chrome browser, Firefox browser, or Internet Explorer version 8 to 11 browsers on your computer. We don't recommend you to use mobile hotspot to connect to your laptop or PC to write exam. Make sure before you start exam, check your speed in fast.com. If your speed is less than 1 Mbps, please contact your college to suggest options to write the exam. Your webcam or camera in your PC or laptop is working. Before starting if your computer does not have webcam or mic, then contact your college on options to write the exam. Have camera but you are unable to take photo, then go to settings, search with camera. If this site is blocked, you can just delete it. Again, you can enable location here. Come back to examination screen, refresh. Now you can allow your location and camera. Exam, make sure you make note of your credentials, as you will need to log in with the same credentials again, and you will not be able to access system after you run the setup. Open a browser, enter user ID and password provided, click on login. Once you log in, system will ask you to allow your location and allow camera. Click on take photo and you get a success message. Once you click on OK, you can click on take assessment and proceed. In case if you are getting an error as below, this is because you have a certificate installed in your computer which is causing this error. In order to proceed further, follow steps mentioned. Go to settings, search for certificates, go to manage certificates, remove the existing certificate. Once you click on take assessment, welcome to online assessment screen will be displayed with list of instructions. Also, at right bottom corner, camera surveillance page will be running, which will be capturing images. To continue exam, do not close it. By clicking on the setup link, a folder will be downloaded. exe file setup varies from browser to browser. This is how it looks in Chrome, in Internet Explorer and in Firefox. Open the downloaded folder, which is towards left side bottom corner. Click on open. Once you click on open, a pop-up will be displayed and then click on install. Once the setup is run successfully, you will get a screen with option proceed and close. You can click on proceed. Screen will be displayed where you have to enter your user ID and password which you have entered at the time of logging in. Now a screen will be displayed which shows assessment subject name along with take assessment link, PDF with reference material, calculator, chat with proctor options. Here in this screen, PDF will be available which has your subject related reference material and has codes for your reference. Chat with proctor option. This is the option which is available through which candidate can chat with proctor if he is facing any issues at time of exam or need clarity, and also if images are not captured by system, an auto message will be generated and will be displayed in this chat list. Though we have hide option, do not hide the chat option as you may not be able to view the message in case if system is sending any auto generated message. Close option. By clicking on close button, exam will be stopped and we will go to previous screen and again setup process has to be done. Take assessment. By clicking on take assessment, we will be moved to next screen where few points of understanding of assessment will be listed. Hide option for calculator and chat will be available by clicking on which they will be hidden or minimized. But as I said, do not hide chat option as you may not be able to view messages generated by system if system is unable to capture your image. By clicking on take assessment, we will be moved to next screen where few points of understanding of assessment will be displayed. We can hide the calculator if needed. Read all the points carefully. Select declaration. Click on start assessment. Once we click on start assessment button, we can see that our assessment is started with remaining minutes. Read the question carefully. Select the right answer. Click on save and next. In the same way, we need to read all questions and answers carefully. Select the right answer. Click on save and next. In the chat window towards right, if you are receiving messages which is auto-generated, which means your photo is not getting captured properly. You get this message when internet speed is too slow. Once all the questions are answered, we get the option submit and exit, by clicking on which all our answers will be saved. We get a pop-up message asking to make sure that we have answered all the questions, and once we read this, click on OK. We get a final confirmation message, your assessment successfully completed, and then click on finish.